In the box, 6-foot nylon braided lightning cable, dark gray color. Fast charge. When used with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery, it can charge an iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Compatibility. Supported models include iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. Certified chip. Apple MFI certified charging and syncing cable for Apple devices with improved chipset to ensure full compatibility. High-speed data transfer, up to 480 megabits per second for transferring music, movies, and more in seconds. Durable design. Built with top-rated materials and tested to withstand up to 4,000 bend cycles, aluminum connector ends offer added support. Top reviews from the United States. I like it. The wire is thick, which will make it last longer. It's long enough so that's really neat, and it works just fine. Does not overheat, and it charges my phone pretty quickly. 10 out of 10.